Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle, here to share some exciting news about something new we have going on here at C&S Corvettes. As you know, if you watch the channel, we had a local artist draw some designs for us. He's a graduate of the Ringling School of Art here in Sarasota, and he drew some Corvette-inspired designs, artwork, that we plan to put on t-shirts. If you remember, we recently introduced our All 8 Generations shirt, pictured here, and that has sold really well. Everybody seems to love it, which is awesome. I'm excited to announce we are ready to unleash our second custom design by Thomas Beasley, and this one's a little different from what we've normally done. The shirt isn't black, believe it or not, and this one features a 63 split window Corvette on track at Sebring back in the early 60s. And this is one of my favorite designs that he did, and he did some awesome stuff, but I think this is among my favorite. So the front of the shirt is it's a light gray, it's got our emblem on it, but on the back is the picture of the 63 split window going around the track at Sebring in the 60s. Sebring doesn't look like that anymore, but this is the way it did look. And if you notice right up here on the tower is a 1950s style C&S Corvettes logo. The cool thing about this is he designed it so that a lot of the background colors would actually be the shirt. So it melds in, and this is actually a very advanced heat transfer. It's not screen printed, so it's really, really sharp. Beautiful, beautiful shirt. Looking forward to putting that up available for you guys today. Same price as our shirts, as always, $30. And I will do a bundle with other shirts or other, the black book, all Corvettes are red book, any of that stuff we will happily do for you. I'm excited about that. And for the first time, I'm also offering a C5 hat, or a C&S Corvettes hat. C&S Corvettes hat. It is trucker style, so it's ventilated. It's very nice quality. The embroidery is absolutely spot on, very sharp, super comfortable, looks good, keeps the sun off my bald head, but we're going to be offering these as well. It took me a long time to convince Steve to do these. But I know that especially here in Florida in the sunny states and during car show season, having a hat's really important, especially when you're, so I'm really excited about these. They came out so beautifully. I've only got 100 of these to start with, so I'm only going to put up 100 because if I need to make more before Carlisle, I do have time to do that. But if you guys really want these, get them now, because once the first 100 is gone, I'm not going to sell any more until after Carlisle, because I want to have them there for the people who come to visit us. So, hats, 30 bucks. New shirt design, 30 bucks. I am really excited about this, and the support you guys have given us and the messages I've gotten and the pictures people send me of them wearing their shirts in Denmark at a show, in New Zealand at a show, in Arizona at a show, it makes me so excited to continue doing what we're doing. So by buying these shirts and hats, you help support what we're doing, and you help promote us to people who might not know about us, and you always get a quality product. We don't do cheap shirts, we don't do cheap hats. This is stuff that we actually wear every day, and we want it to be nice for us, and we also want it to be nice for you. So if you're interested in this stuff, check it out. There's links below on where to find it on our website. And thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting us, and we're excited about the new merch. Talk to you soon.